welcome to my apartment tour. Come on in. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're not part of the Trendy Squad, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the Trendy Squad too. So in today's video, as you can see, welcome to my apartment tour. I actually moved across the country, so this is a beautiful apartment that I've been wanting to share with you guys for a little while now. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. Come follow me. So the first thing we have is a pantry. It is very large. There's a ton of things in here. It's kind of messy. You don't have to see too much of that. We have the microwave, the stove, oven. We have the fridge here, and this baby right here. This is our air fryer. It continuously burns chicken. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so we have all of these cabinets here. I have some vitamins in here. That way we have quick access to it so we can stay healthy and everything like that. We have the dishwasher, and my favorite part, this is a peninsula. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's not an island, it's a peninsula. It's attached to the wall. It is huge, beautiful. It takes me a while to clean it, but I love this sink as well. We have this little faucet, and the sink is so deep. You can fit so many dishes in here. We have little snacks and stuff for people when they come over. There's some Mexican candy in here. And then this is a little weird in terms of placement, but here is a washer and dryer. It's like a little stacked up one. So, you know, typical apartment style washer and dryer. So this is the kitchen. There are so many cabinets on this side. We have drawers galore. There's so much storage space, so that way it doesn't stay messy or anything like that. But go ahead and follow me now. We're gonna go to the living room. Okay, so this is our living room. So something I really have to let you guys know is we didn't furnish this place. It's actually furnished by a team. So whenever we get another place, I'm definitely gonna decorate it and it's gonna look entirely different. Here's the couch. It's pretty comfy. We have a little lamp right here and our coffee table with this book that I'm supposed to be reading, but haven't gotten around to just as yet. I've been so busy. So I have my desk over here. So I have my Big Mac and I have my little Mac, my Pro. So when I'm on the go, I have this one. When I'm working, I have this one. Little chair, it's so comfortable. I really love this desk actually. It's from Walmart and it actually worked out pretty well. We also have we have a TV of course, and then the TV stand and everything like that. These decorations are actually kind of cool. They're little spiky balls. They remind me of sea urchins. I've had a little bit of encounters with them in Barbados. We don't need to get into too much detail with that. But we also have an outside area as well. So this is the patio. Let me go ahead and show you guys the patio. It's not that big. We rarely come out here. It's too hot to be out here. So maybe when it gets a little bit colder, we will come and hang out here a lot more. So like basically it's like a reach and back. And it's like a reach and back both ways. So it's like kind of like a little 4x4. It's pretty small. And there's a little opening so you can see not much of a view, but yeah. So let's go back inside. It's kind of hot. Okay, so before we go ahead and get into the rooms, I forgot to show you guys, we have these little bar stools here. So that way whenever we want to just grab a bite to eat really quick, we just go ahead and sit right here. We also have the candle to set the mood and everything like that. It is fall, so yay. I had Brandon come with me like really late at night because I really wanted this candle so bad, so yes. So over here I have all my exercise stuff. So I have the exercise ball, I have the weights, jump rope. There's also a yoga mat and everything like that. Here's the vacuum, the thermostat, a cute plant. So I actually got Brandon a a breakaway basketball hoop. So sometimes we'll play ball inside, you know, gotta keep ourselves entertained while we're here. So let's go ahead and get into the room. So, welcome to our bedroom. So I got these lights back here from Urban. So if you don't know what Urban is, that is Urban Outfitters, and they're pretty cheap and cute. We have our 2 nightstands right here and right here. And then over here is a painting of a flower and something on the TV that we don't want to talk about right now. And I got Brandon this for our anniversary. It's a picture of us that lights up. It's actually super duper cool because it changes color. So hold on, let me turn it off first. So it goes to 3 different colors. We have our blankets and stuff here so we can get all cozy whenever we're ready. And there's a mirror on the back. I don't know if you guys saw that part, so you could just kind of check the upper body part because you know we have the TV in the way. Okay, so it's time to go ahead and get into the next room, so follow me. Okay, welcome to the bathroom. So the bathroom actually has the same exact countertops as the kitchen, which I love, same exact handles and everything. There's a ton of storage space down here. Oh my gosh, even the faucet is super easy to use whenever you're ready to just like brush your teeth really quick, wash your hands really quick. I have another candle because we are setting the mood here for you guys. There's a medicine cabinet and everything like that. Got my Fenty Skin inside of there and all my skin products. We have a toilet, of course, because you gotta do your business. There's a painting or picture or photo, whatever you wanna classify this as, right over here. And then if you follow me, we have the shower. So, before we do this, our bathroom is a little strange because we actually have a closet inside of the bathroom. This is something to get used to and everything like that. We definitely have gotten used to it. So yeah, it's a little weird, but you get used to it. So here's the shower and then our closet. Okay, our closet is a hot mess right now, but it is a walk-in closet and I really do like it very, very much. So brace yourself. But there's a ton of space. There's a ton of space in here. Walk-in closet, we have his stuff and her stuff over here, my stuff. Okay, so let me meet you guys outside. So, before we get out of the bathroom, there are 2 different doors, so that way when guests come, they don't actually have to walk through our room to be able to use the bathroom, which I love. Because our last apartment, our bathroom was way inside of our room and everybody had to like walk through our room to be able to get to the restroom. So we have our bedroom here and then the living room here. So let's go back outside and I will show you guys out. Okay, Trendy Squad, thank you so much for coming over. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad that I've finally been able to show you guys a new apartment, new home, and everything like that. If you're not a part of the Trendy Squad, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the Trendy Squad too. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, Trendy Squad.